Good evening, students. Today I came back with a new topic of 7th standard and our chapter name, chapter number 13, Understanding Shapes, Line and Angle. Students, we will discuss about lines and angles. In previous class, you already discussed about it, but we can take a review of these topics. Clear? First, we take a basic concept. We discuss about the basic concept of geometry. First is point. Point. First is a point. What is a point? A point is a small dot. A point is a small dot marked by a sharp pencil. Like this. Point is a small dot marked by a sharp pencil and a point has no length. A point has no breadth and a point has no thickness. Point has no thickness. Again I repeat it. Point is a small dot marked by a sharp pencil and a point has no length, no breadth and no thickness. Clear, students? And a point is denoted by a capital letter. For example, a point is denoted by a capital letter A. This is a point A. Clear, student? Then we take next point. Second, a line. What is a line? Students, what is a line? Line, we can take this type. This is a line. And a line has no thickness. There is no thickness. A line has no thickness. And a line, we extend it in both the direction. We extend it in both the direction means left hand side also, right hand side. Or this is in 1D, one dimensional. This is in a one dimensional and we can extend it in both the direction, left hand side or right hand side. And extend in infinitely. Infinitely means so many. Clear? Line has no thickness. This is our line. And a line is denoted by a B and in this type. We can take a notation of a line. This type A, B or यहाँ जिस both side arrow sign, that means this is a line. It represents a line. Clear? Next point, third point, a ray. Next, a ray. What is a ray? A ray, we can take this type. There is a one fixed point. This is a fixed point and a ray is extend indefinitely in one direction. We extend it only in one direction and there is a one fixed point. We can take it also in this form. This is a fixed point and we extend it in this direction. Clear? And notation of a ray AB, we can take this point A and there is a B, then this is the ray AB. Again, if we can take this A, then B, then we can take the notation of this ray BA. Then it represents it. B is a fixed point and we extend it infinitely in the direction A. Clear, student? Then we take next fourth point. Point number 4, we can take a line segment. Again, a line segment. What is a line segment? It is a part of a line. It is a part of a line. If we clear 2 points, 2 fixed points, let this point A and this fixed point B, then AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. It is a part of a line and there are 2 and point. Notation of a line segment is AB. If we can take this type AB, both side of arrow, this represent a line. If we can take in this form, then it represents a ray, and if we take a AB, then it represents a line segment. That means there are two fixed point A and B, and a line segment has a fixed length. Clear, student? After that, point number 5, a plane. A plane. What is a plane? A flat surface is called a plane. Flat surface is called a plane. For example, if we take this board, this is a plane. A main point of a plane, if we take any 2 points in a surface, for example, we take these 2 points, if we join these 2 points and make a straight line, then it represents a plane. Again, if we take a point here, and next if we take a point here, if we join this point, then there is a moving surface of this line. Then this is not a straight line. If not a straight line, then this is not a plane. Here, flat surface is known as a plane. A plane has a length, a plane has a breadth, but a plane has no thickness. Clear, student? जो flat surface is known as a plane. Clear? Again, after plane, there is any other more points. Next point, there are a number of lines in a plane, and infinite number of lines meet at one point. For example, if this is a line L, this is a line M, again a line R, again a line P, there are more lines, and all lines meet at a point, and all lines passing through one single point, then these lines are said concurrent. C-O-N, concurrent line. This type of lines called concurrent lines. If 3 or more lines passing through a fixed point, then we call them a concurrent line. Clear, student? If 3 or more lines are not passing through only one single point, then these lines are not a concurrent line. These lines are not a concurrent line. Clear, student? If 3 or more lines passing through a single point, then these lines are concurrent line. If 3 or more lines not passing through a single point, then these lines are called a non-concurrent line. Clear? Students, in a plane, there are two types of line. In a plane, there are two types of line. In first type of line, if 2 or more lines are intersecting line, if we take two lines, we take two line P, again line Q, P and Q are intersect each other at this point, then we call these lines intersecting line. These lines are called intersecting line. And second type of line in a plane, if two lines are not intersect each other, then we call them parallel lines. We call them parallel lines. If two lines are not intersected in a plane, then these lines are called parallel line. These are parallel lines. These are intersecting line. Clear, student? In a plane, there are two types of line. In first type, if two lines intersect each other, then we call them intersecting line. And in second type, if two lines are not intersect each other, then these lines are called parallel line. Clear, student? Then next, collinear point. Next, collinear points. What is collinear point? If 3 or more points lie in the same line. If 3 or more points lie on the same line, for example, we have a line and there is a point A, if there is a point B, there is a point C. If 3 or more points, if we take point D, if three or more points lie on the same line, then these points are called a collinear point. These points are a collinear point. Clear, students? Now we take exercise 13.1. Clear? Next, exercise 13.1. Then question number first, true or false. Then first part, two lines can intersect at 2 points. Part number first, two lines can intersect at 2 points. Two lines intersect at 2 points. No, students, two lines intersect only 1 point, not 2 points. Then first statement is false. First statement is false. Two lines intersect each other at only one single point, not 2 points. Clear, student? Then part number third of first question. If three or more points lie on the same line, the points are collinear. If three or more points lie on the same line, that means three or more points lie on the same line, then these points are collinear. Student, this is true. Yes, this is true. Statement number third is true. Again, statement number 5. A line segment is the shortest distance between 2 points. Line segment, if there is a line and there is two fixed points A and B, then AB is a line segment, or line segment is the shortest distance between 2 points. Yes, this statement is also true. Then question number second. Part number first. This question based on fill in the blanks. A dash has no end point. Students, a dash has no end point. A line has no end point. A line has no end point. Then the answer is a line. Clear? A line has no end point. A ray has one end point, and a line segment has two end point. Clear? Again, point number third. Three or more lines are said to be dash if all of them passing through 1 point. Three or more lines are said to be dash if they all of them passing 1 point. If three or more lines passing through 1 point, then this line called a concurrent line. Then answer is concurrent. These are a concurrent line. Clear? The next part number fourth. A ray has dash end point and a dash has two end point. A ray has one end point. Then answer is 1, and a dash has two end point. Two end point of line segment, and a line segment has two end points. Clear, student? Then next, sixth part. Dash surface are known as plane. Student, we already discussed about. A dash surface are known as plane. A flat surface are flat surface are known as planes. These are two questions. Then we take a next question. Now, question number 3 of exercise 13.1. Student, there are some lines, line L, line M, line N, and this line R, line P, line Q. There are some lines. Student, first question, find all pair of parallel lines. All pair of parallel lines. There are some parallel lines, and we write all pair of parallel lines. Then in first part, student, line L and M both are parallel. Parallel lines, two lines not intersect each other, then these lines are a parallel line. So L and M both lines are parallel because L and M are not intersect each other. So first pair is L parallel to M. Same, M and N are parallel lines. Next pair, M parallel to N. Again student, L and N. These lines are also parallel line because L and N are not intersect each other. Again pair is L parallel to N. Clear? Question number first. Then question number second, intersecting line. Intersecting line. Two lines if intersect each other at one point, then this line are intersecting a line. Student, line L and line R intersect at point A, then L and R are a intersecting line. So first pair is of second question, L and R. Next M and R also intersecting, N and R also intersecting. Next pair is M R, N R. Students, same as it is. Line Q and line P also intersect at a point I. Then P and Q. Same PL, same PM, same PN because they intersect each other. Same QL, QM and QN all are intersecting lines. So there are many pair of intersecting line. Clear? The next question, concurrent line. What is concurrent line? Three or more lines intersect at each other at one point. Three lines passing through one point. Which three lines passing through one point? Student, line N, line P, line R passing through point C, then line N, line P, line R. These are a concurrent line. Clear? Then there is no other pair of concurrent line. Clear? Next, fourth part, collinear point. Collinear, what is the definition of collinear point? Three or more points lie on the same line, then these points are collinear. There are so many pairs. Collinear point. First, point A, point B, point C. A, B, C are collinear because A, B, C lie on the same line R. Again B, D, Z. These are also collinear points because they lie on the line M. A, E, H. These are collinear points. I, H, Z, F. These are also collinear points. So there are so many pair of collinear points. Clear, student? Then this is exercise 13.1 complete. Clear? Students, for exercise 13.2 we take some basic question, some basic concept. First, angle. Angle. In first exercise 13.1 based on line and second exercise based on angles. Student, what is an angle? If two rays meet at one point, then they form a angle. If this point O, A, O, B, OA and OB, there are two rays and they meet each other at point O, then they form an angle O. This is the angle O. And O is the vertex. O is a vertex. Same point is a vertex. Common point of two rays is a vertex. And these two rays are called arms. These two rays are called arms. Arms OA and OB. Clear, student? This is an angle. Again, angle is measured in a degree. We measure an angle in a degree. Student, in a degree, like this is 60 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree of an angle. And a complete rotation of 360 degree. Complete rotation is 360 degree, and 1 degree is divided in 60 equal parts. 60 equal parts, then these parts are called minute. These parts are called minute. Clear student? And we denote it by this type. Clear? For example, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Clear? Again, 1 minute is divided into 60 equal parts, 60 equal parts, and all parts are called, each part are called second. Each part is called a second and denoted by this type. For example, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Clear student? 1 degree divided into 60 equal parts, and each part is a minute. 1 degree equal to 60 minute, and 1 minute equal to 60 minute. Clear student? We can take an angle also this type. If an angle 60 degree, 24 minute and 35 second. We also can take this type. Clear? Again, there are some types of angle. First type of angles. There are some type of angle. First is acute angle. What is acute angle? Angle whose measure is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree angle, less than 90 degree angle is a acute angle. Second type, obtuse angle, and angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, then this angle is obtuse. Clear? Again, third is straight angle. What is straight angle? This is complete straight angle. If 180 degree angle is a straight angle. Measure of 180 degree angle is a straight angle. Again, fourth is reflex angle. An angle greater than 180 and less than 360 is a reflex angle. For example, if this is a 120 degree angle, then this complete angle is a reflex angle. Reflex angle greater than 180 and less than 360. This is a reflex angle. Again, student, there are some two main points. First point is a right angle. Student, measure of 90 degree angle is a right angle. This is a angle and this is a right angle. Measure of 90 degree angle is a right angle. Clear, student? Next, adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. There are some condition of adjacent angle. What is condition? First, there is a common point. One common point between two angles is for a condition of adjacent angle. One common point. For second condition, one common arm, a common arm, and next non-common arms are opposite side of common arms. There are some condition for adjacent angle. First is one common point. Second, one common arms between two angles. Third is non-common arms are opposite side of common arms. For example, if we take point O, A, B, C. Student, A, O, B and B, O, C. A, O, B and B, O, C. There are two angles and we call them adjacent angle because these two angles satisfy the condition, three condition. First, one common point. One common point is point O. Point O, AOB, इस एंगल का भी one common point and BOC सेम है, one common point है. Then one common arms, AOB and BOB and BOC same arm OB. Then OB arms is a common arms. Common arm. Then non-common arms are opposite side of common arm. This is common arms and these are non-common arms and these are opposite side. One is this side and one is this side. Then these two angles are adjacent angle. Clear, student? Complementary and supplementary angle. What is complementary and supplementary angle? Complementary angle. If sum of two angle equal to 90 degree, sum of two angle equal to 90 degree, then these two angle are complementary of each other. For example, if we have an angle 30 degree and angle 60 degree, sum of these two angle equal to 90 degree, then 30 degree is complementary of 60 and 60 is complementary angle of 30. Next, if there is angle 50 degree and angle 40 degree, sum of these two angle equal to 90 degree, then 50 degree and 40 degree are complementary of each other. Clear, student? If sum of two angle equal to 90 degree, then they are complementary. Again, supplementary angle. If sum of two angle equal to 180, for example, if one angle is 120 degree and one angle is 60 degree, then sum of these two angle equal to 180, then these two angle are a supplementary angle. 60 is supplementary of 120, 120 is supplementary of 60. Clear, student? If there is 150 degree angle and again there is 30 degree angle, sum of these two angle 180, then 30 is supplementary of 150, 150 is supplementary of 30. If sum of two angle equal to 180, then these angle are supplementary. If sum of two angle equal to 90, then they are complementary angle. Again, linear pair. Linear pair. And linear pair angles. If sum of two angle equal to 180, this angle and this angle, these two angle are linear pair. Sum of these two angle equal to 180, then this is a linear pair. If sum of two angle equal to 180, then this is a linear pair. Again, vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. If two lines intersect each other, at point 1, then there are two pair of vertically opposite angle. This angle and this angle. These are vertically opposite and vertically opposite angle are equal. If this equal to x degree, then same x degree. And this is also pair of vertically opposite. This angle equal to this angle. If this equal to y degree, then this also equal to y degree. Vertically opposite angle. If two lines are intersect each other at point 1, then there are two pair of vertically opposite angle. These two angle equal and these two angle equal. Students, next we take exercise 13.2. Clear?